Here I've got Amazon Kindle 10 and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first, let's open some letter screen and then simply swipe with your two fingers from one corner to another, just like that. And now by tapping on plus or on minus, you can change the font size. So if you need some bigger or smaller letters, simply do something like that and then easily personalize the font size to your needs. So that would be all. Then you can read comfortably or go to your home screen and select some other novel to read. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.